Escondidinho de Carne Seca. Serve 6. Total time 5 hours 45 minutes. A baked Brazilian casserole of shredded dried beef topped with creamy mashed cassava and melted mozzarella. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 pound 12 ounces of dried salted beef, called carne seca, to be soaked and then shredded. 2 pounds of cassava, peeled and cut into chunks. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 cup of whole milk. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/2 cup of cream cheese. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Salt, to taste. Use sparingly since carne seca is salty. Freshly ground black pepper, to taste. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place 1 pound 12 ounces of dried salted beef into a large bowl, cover with cold water and soak for 4 hours, changing the water twice to desalinate the meat. After soaking, drain and rinse the beef. Put it in a pot, cover with fresh water, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cook for 30 minutes until tender. Remove the beef from the pot and let it cool slightly, then shred it finely with 2 forks and set the shredded carne seca aside. While the beef cooks, peel and cut 2 pounds of cassava into chunks, put them in a pot, cover with water and boil for about 20 minutes until fork tender. Drain the cassava and return it to the pot. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of cream cheese, then mash until smooth and creamy. Season lightly with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat and add 1 large chopped onion. Sauté for about 5 minutes until translucent. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic to the skillet and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Add the shredded beef to the skillet, toss with the onion and garlic, and cook for about 5 minutes to heat through and blend the flavors. Stir in 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a white ceramic baking dish and spread half of the mashed cassava evenly across the bottom to form the first layer. Evenly distribute the shredded beef mixture over the cassava layer, spreading it to the edges. Top the beef with the remaining mashed cassava and smooth the surface with a spatula. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded mozzarella evenly over the top and bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden. Remove the dish from the oven and let it rest for 5 minutes, garnish with the remaining chopped parsley and serve warm. Enjoy the escondidinho and remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this escondidinho de carne seca, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more recipes.